Well, YouTube land. Grandpa meet grandson. So, the electric Ranger is gone, as I mentioned. This is a, I forgot what year it says, 94? 91. Actually, 92. 92 F150 Xlt. Again, Grandpa. Let's get the crap out of me. This is what the trade brought in. Rocking some very nice Pacer wheels, which fling mud everywhere. Work on that. Just sprayed off a metric ton of dirt off her. She's a twin fuel tank. All steel. Oh no, she ain't that bad. Again, she will have to go for a washing, but she ain't bad at all. She has a surprisingly nice interior. That's the only rip, which is incredible. Dash isn't cracked. Aftermarket radio. That's hilarious. I will probably get a new headliner for her, because she is too nice not to have one. Probably gonna replace these mirrors still. Headlights are fogged up and moisture inside. Lower valence is very dry. But she is a really nice truck. That's a glove. So again, the Ranger is gone. This is its replacement because, again, it went to the guy who built that truck, so I am not mad whatsoever. Good home. She has key. $248,000 miles on her. Little Bluetooth speaker here. Not Bluetooth, wireless speaker. She had money. But again, she is very clean. She's powered by the just like the Ranger. The immortal 300cc Ford V6. Easy to die. Love the jacks in the front here. She is going to need some oil change. She's going to need some fluid. I'm pretty sure she's going to need a head gasket. But the big thing about these old Fords, especially with this engine in it, they do not care. They will make you question reliability with how immortal these things are. Fluid in there. This thing is so ridiculously double engineered. Case in point, see those nice little springs right there? It also has, oh wait, what the? Oh, that's for the spare tire. Legit, I thought this thing had a probe as well. But anywho, slight squeak, but she don't care, and we don't care. Little play in the wheel, no big deal. white little trooper. This is the most I don't give a fuck about what you're doing to me in my life engine I've ever seen. For those that remember my 94, same engine, blew the water pump on the trip, it did not care. This truck will not care of anything. Huh, the crowd's gone. It does not care. These are an amazing engine that Ford really needs to bring back in some newer form. Because again, unkillable, immortal, needs sway bar. I guess one clip there broke off. Oh, there we go. Again, this truck is old, very old, and it does not care. It gets beaten to death by Arlie Ermy and will not care. It will stare down a drill sergeant and will not care. It will probably take a fucking head-on collision and not care. Learn a lesson from this immortal. You're on your third engine in a year. Immortal. I just sprayed her down because she went through the mud before coming here and did not care. Hold on one second. Alright, I'm back. Brake light. I have to work on that. Let's see, the thing I can't figure out right now is the mirror, which seems to be doing its own weird thing. Like, I can see the back. Oh, because it's tinted, that's why. I'm an idiot. Yeah, because it's tinted, it's throwing me off for a loop here. Love that. Alright. Behold the immortal F150. She does not care about her age. Definitely some play in the wheel. An old school clack clack. Let's see. There is no fluid. Okay. So, immortal. I love this thing. And I'm going to have to sell it immediately, because otherwise I will want to keep it for other things. Oh yeah, and the AC. Let's see. I was told it's cold. Why is it screaming at me? But it is cold. That was fast. Note to self. Blower motor. Oh, okay, now it's quieting. Okay, you're coming right back and make me... Stop it. Okay, that's very annoying. What is this? That is a very strong magnet. Alright, you're going right next to the Impala. Impala, la 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 la. I'm not used to the long bed. Yep, yep. How far back can you go, girl? There. Well, quite pleased with this thing. I'm loving it. But you definitely need some little odds and ends here. Anywho though, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see what I can do with this girl.